If an Android app becomes unresponsive or freezes, forcing the app to stop can quickly solve the problem. This simple troubleshooting method closes the app completely and prevents it from running in the background. In this guide, we'll show you how to force stop an app on your Android phone. Open the Settings applications. You can usually find it on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Next, scrolling down and tap on Apps or Applications depending on your phone model and Android version. This section displays all installed apps on your device. Now locate and select the app that is frozen or not working properly. Once the app information page opens, tap the Force Stop button, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the screen. A confirmation message may appear asking if you want to force the app to stop. Tap OK or Done to confirm your action. The app will immediately close and stop all background processes. After a few seconds, you can reopen the app to check if it is working correctly again. Force stopping is a safe and effective way to fix temporary app issues without restarting your phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.